In this presentation, I will discuss the implication of scientific revolution to the advancement of science and technology. The first question is, what is the major implication of scientific revolution in the advancement of science and technology? The scientific revolution had a profound impact on the advancement of science and technology, and one of its most important implications was the establishment of the scientific methods as the standard approach to the scientific inquiry. The scientific method is a procession of observation, hypothesis testing, and experimentation that allows scientists to systematically test their ideas about the natural world. This process has been essential to the development of the technological advancement that we enjoy today. And another important implication of the scientific revolution was the rise of professional scientific societies. These societies provided a forum for scientists to share their ideas and collaborate on research. They also played an important role in disseminating scientific knowledge to the public, and also the rise of professional scientific societies helped to accelerate the pace of scientific progress and technological innovation. So here are some specific examples of how the scientific revolution led to technological advancement. The first one is the invention of the telescope LED. It leads to new discoveries about the planets and stars, including the discovery that the Earth revolves around the Sun. This discovery helped to overthrow the geocentric model of the universe, which had been accepted for over 1,000 of years. Another one is the development of calculus by Isaac Newton. It was essential to the development of classical physics, which is the basis of many modern technologies such as airplanes, rockets, and computers. So in conclusion, the scientific revolution continues to have a profound impact on the advancement of science and technology today. The scientific method is still the standard approach to scientific inquiry, and professional scientific societies continue to play an important role in promoting scientific collaboration and disseminating scientific knowledge. The discoveries and the inventions of the scientific revolution have laid the foundation for many of the technologies that we rely on today, and they continue to inspire new generations of scientists and engineers to push the boundaries of knowledge and technology. So the next question is, can scientific knowledge alone be sufficient in developing the Philippines? The development of a nation is a process that encompasses economic, social, political, and cultural aspects. So in the case of the Philippines, we are very known for its rich natural resources and potential. But the question arises, can scientific knowledge alone be sufficient in developing the Philippines? While scientific knowledge plays a pivotal role in progress, it is crucial to recognize that a comprehensive approach is necessary for sustainable development. Scientific knowledge is undoubtedly a cornerstone of development. It provides the tools and methods necessary for innovation, problem solving, and economic growth. In the Philippines, scientific research has led to advancement in agriculture, medicine, and technology, contributing to increased productivity and improved living standards. However, it is essential to recognize that scientific knowledge alone is not sufficient to drive comprehensive development in the Philippines. So one of the examples or one of the factors is the socio-economic factor, in which development is not solely about scientific knowledge. It is also heavily influenced by socio-economic factors like poverty, inequality, and access to education and healthcare, which are significant challenges that cannot be addressed by science alone. So in order to achieve sustainable development, these social and economic issues must be tackled alongside scientific advancement. Another one is the education and human capital. So a well-educated and skilled workforce is essential for utilizing scientific knowledge effectively. Investment in education and training is imperative to harness the potential of scientific discoveries. So and next one is cultural and social factors. So the Philippines is a diverse nation with various cultural and social dynamics. Scientific knowledge alone cannot address cultural sensitivities, social cohesion, and community engagements, which are vital for development that respects local values and traditions. So to sum it up, while scientific knowledge is undeniably crucial for development, it cannot be the sole driving force in the case of the Philippines or any other nation. Development is a complex process that requires a holistic approach, taking into account socio-economic factors, governance, infrastructure, education, and cultural considerations. Scientific knowledge serves as a foundation upon which development can be built, but it must be complemented by efforts across multiple domains to achieve comprehensive and sustainable progress. In the case of the Philippines, a balanced approach that combines scientific expertise with socio-economic and political reforms will be the key to unlocking the nation's full potential and improving the quality of life for its citizens. The last question is, did the application of scientific knowledge enhance the welfare of everybody? So the application of scientific knowledge has enhanced the welfare of everybody in many ways. It has improved our health, increased our life expectancy, and made our lives easier and more comfortable. It has also helped us to do better understand the world around us and develop new technologies that can help us to solve some of the most pressing problems facing humanity today. So here are some specific examples of how the application of scientific knowledge has enhanced the welfare of everybody. The first one is the health. Of course, medical advances based on scientific knowledge have led to the development of vaccines and treatments for many diseases, including polio, smallpox, and measles. So these advances have helped to reduce child mortality and increase life expectancy around the world. Another one is transportation and communication. Scientific knowledge has helped us to develop new transportation and communication technologies such as airplane, cars, and the internet. These technologies have made it easier and faster for people to travel and communicate with each other. And another one, or lastly, is the environmental protection. So, of course, scientific knowledge is helping us to understand the environmental impact of our activities and to develop new technologies to reduce our environmental footprint. For example, the scientific knowledge has helped us to develop renewable resources such as solar and wind power and to develop more efficient ways to use energy. Of course, the application of scientific knowledge is not without its challenges. Despite these challenges, the overall impact of the application of scientific knowledge on human welfare has been positive. Scientific knowledge has helped us to live longer, healthier, and more comfortable lives. It has also helped us to do and better understand the world around us and to develop new technologies that can help us solve some of the most pressing problems facing humanity today. Here are the references that I used that guides me in answering these questions.